Good day everyone, I'm Gerard B. Santos and this is my video presentation. One, two, three, pasok! Pasok! Bilis! Wait lang. Di pa ako ready. Dito. Diba sabi mo mamaya pa, na-practice ko pa yung sasabihin ko doon. Start na! Lah. Start na ba? Oo, tol. Mamaya ulit. May nakalimutan ako. Good day everyone! Again, I'm Gerald Santos. I'm a musician, singer, and composer. My mother was an overseas singer and my father is a band guitarist. And they meet through music. I've been in band and symphony orchestra before. And I'm seeking to enhance my musicianship so that I can audition for my dream orchestra, which is Manila Symphony Orchestra, MSO, soon. I also won second place in the vocal duet category with Miss Jengaling Malicon at the music competition held at the Plaza Gymnasium, Angono, Rizal, which was presented by the University of Rizal System, Angono Campus. And here are our photos from the music competition. I'm looking forward to the first place next time. Supportahan niyo ako guys. Sasali ako ng solo pop sa susunod. By the way, congratulations to Miss Jenny for obtaining first place in solo pop. I fell in love with music when I was in high school. I constantly sing at school with my friends. They were the ones who inspired me to sing, and as time passed, I encountered other individuals who could play instruments, which is why I learned as well due to their influence on me. And that's when I started singing in church, and I've also performed in the Marikina Sports Center. I'm the type of person that is constantly curious about the world around me. And if there's something that fascinates me, I'll find a way to learn about it. Which is why I'm so unsure about what I want to do with my life back then. Because I know so much. I'm proficient in psychology, philosophy, physics, mathematics, politics, and many other subjects. Actually, I was a constant academic achiever from high school until graduation. I have many certificates and awards as well as a medal because I was a consistent honor student in senior high school. My life has been filled with misery because I have faced numerous challenges. One day in my life, something happened that I never forget. I was at my lowest point because I became healed unexpectedly. And at the time, I thought I was going to die. Feeling ko, huling araw ko na, talagang mamatay na ako, nanghihinga ng mga katawan ko, parang bibigay na, and I don't know what to do. And at that time, ginagawa ko lang mag-pray that I would survive and get healed since I had a lot to accomplish in my life because I was so young pa at the time. That time, I was there. Music was what kept me fighting and gave me a reason to live because it was the only thing I could do at the time. Music was the only thing that could calm me because I don't know what to do. I also had a lot of problems and it took me months before I consulted a doctor because it was difficult to visit a doctor during the post-pandemic period. That time, hirap na hirap talaga ako and hindi ko alam paano ako makakasurvive. Kasi pandemic din, ang hirap kung mag-sit sa doktor. Baka kung pumunta ako ng ospital, hindi rin ako payagan. Kasi nga yung mga pasyente ata dyan sa ospital, yung iba may COVID. So, I had no choice at that time. Yun nga, nag-consult ako sa doktor, naman ko may sakit ako. While I was recovering, that's when I knew I wanted to pursue music because it gives me hope that I can survive in my current situation. Music is the only way I can properly express myself. Music eases my sorrow. It is the only place where I am free. It detaches me from reality. Music is the place I can run to when everything is failing in my life. Pagka feeling ko parang gumuguho yung mundo ko, yun, feeling ko nagpe-fail nga lahat sa akin, ayaw na sa akin ng mundo, nakikinig lang ako sa music. Kumbaga, takbuhan ko yung musika kapag when everything is failing in my life. Music offers me a reason for living and I want to spend every seconds of my existence doing it. Kaya sabi ko, pag-graduate na ako ng high school sa Arellano Andres Bonifacio Campus sa Pasig kasi taga Pasig talaga ako, pero ngayon college sa Angono Rizal ako nag-aaral and may kwento kung bakit. Nung pag-graduate nga ako, grade 12, and I was a youth student sa Arellano, sabi ko, as sarili ko, magpupurso ako ng music, magiging music major ako, kasi ito yung ito yung life's meaning ko na, kasi nanay ko, dating singer sa Japan, tatay ko naman, gitarista sa banda, may-ari siya ng music shops, and nagsuserve din siya kay God using his talents. Pero ang nanay tatay ko walay na, and nasa side ako ng mama ko ngayon, and di naman makikakaila na magiging musikero din ako kasi both of my parents are both musically inclined. Kaya sabi ko nung grade 12 ako, maging music major ako, pero ang gusto talaga sa akin ng parents ko, guardian ko, maging doktor, nurse, basta nga sa field ng medicine o kaya lawyer. And ayoko maging ganun. Gusto ko sundin yung kung asan yung lukso ng puso ko. Kaya ayun, nung enrollment na, matatapos na ako sa senior high school, naghanap na ako ng mga school. Andiyan ang PNU, Santa Isabel, UP Diliman, siyempre yun yung Angono, URS na may nag-o-offer ng music. Nag-apply ako sa maraming school. Nag-apply ako sa Santa Isabel, ayun ang first choice kong school. Dapat kasi nag-enroll ako doon, tanggap na ako, tinawagan na ako ng school, yung tuition fee ko doon napakamahal. Siguro abutin na ng 80,000 a year yung tuition ko lang, pero kaya ko mag-aral doon kasi susuportahan ako ng pamilya ko. Dapat nag-enroll ako doon. Sabi sa akin mag-enroll na for the college. And sabi ko, gusto ko mag-course ng music. Ayun, mga ilang araw, nagbago isip ng nanay ko, ng tita ko, na huwag na daw mag-course ng music. Kasi wala namang pera dyan. Ano magiging trabaho ko? Ayun, nag-apply ako sa PNU, which is libre. Nag-apply din ako sa ibang school like RTU. Tanggap din ako sa RTU pero hindi ko na tinuloy. Nag-apply ako sa PNU. Ang kurso dapat na kukunin ko doon ay Bachelor in Arts and Music. Kaso mas maganda ang BMMU doon kasi pure music ang Bachelor of Music. Santa Isabel kasi talaga first choice ko, dapat conservatory ako doon. Hindi ako pinayagan. So nagtuloy pa rin ako sa URS. Kahit hindi na ako supported ng mga magulang ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga maging music major Nagagalit sa akin nanay ko. Tita ko, yung iba kong kapamilya kasi lumabag ako sa will nila. Hindi ko sinunod yung gusto nila. Pinili ko yung gusto kong kurso. Yun na yun, naghanap ako sa internet na may school na nag-offer ng Bachelor of Music at nakita ko ang URS Angono. Hinahanap ko to agad. Dali-dali ako pumunta, nag-enroll kahit napakalayo ng bahay ko. Pasig to Rizal, NCR to Calabarzon. So, napakahirap sa biyahe araw-araw. Pero, pinipilit ko kasi yung nandun yung lukso ng dugo ko Kumbaga, siguro worth it naman yun kung ito talaga yung gusto ko. Napakahirap araw-araw ng biyahe ko. Hindi ko i-expect na sa URS ang ako mag-aaral. Hindi ko i-expect guys na makikilala ko kayo. Kasi wala talaga akong kilala sa Angono. Walang kamag-anak dyan. Wala akong kaibigan dyan. Lahat kayo bago. Yung mga group, professor natin, mga teacher natin. Lahat sa akin yung bago. Lahat kayo bago sa akin. Wala talaga akong kilala dyan sa Angono. Talagang nandyan lang ako para mag-aral. And actually, nag-enroll din ako sa UP Diliman. Actually, yung river flows ko, yung arrangement ngayon, yung sungha, sa UP Diliman ko talaga gagamitin yon. Yung finger-form ko sa harap ni Sir Vic. Sa UP Diliman talaga yun. Kasi kailangan doon ata classical. Sa UP Diliman, ang kaya lang nilang i-offer sa akin is Bachelor in Music and Arts, yung parang sa PNU. PNU din. Napakataas yung standard din ng UP. Kasi bago ako makapasok doon, may performance at may exam na music theory. So yung river flows ko, inanda ko yung para sa UP Diliman. So hindi na ako tumuloy sa UP, mas pinili ko ang URS Angono kasi nga Bachelor of Music to. Hindi ako nakapag Bachelor of Music kasi hindi naman ako nakapag-UPCAT. But still, kapag nakapag-perform ako, they can also offer me Bachelor of Arts and Music. And ayoko yung gusto ko pure music lang. So ngayon, nag-aaral sa Angono. I don't know kung ano mangyayari, kung makakapasa ba ako, anong mangyayari, sino magiging kaibigan ko sa URS Angono. Hindi ko inisip yun. Dire-diretso lang ako para sa pangarap ko. And wala akong balak mag-ship, wala akong balak magpalit ng kurso kasi here dito sa Metro Manila, ang course para sa Bachelor of Music ay napakamahal, umaabot ng 100K sa USD. Kasi bilang lang dito sa Philippines nag-o-offer ng Bachelor of Music. Kaya nag-enroll din ako dyan sa URS Angono. Nagulat ako yung iba sa inyo nakapasok kahit hindi musical inclined. Ang kala ko nga, pagka sinabi music major, dapat musical inclined, magaling mag-gitara, magaling kumanta. Kala ko ganon, pero hindi pala. May ganon pala sa URS Angono. Like, unlike sa Santa Isabel, Scholastica, mga tao doon, musical inclined. Kasi magbabayad ka ng 120K tapos di ka pala musical inclined, di ba? Malaking pera yun. Kaya ayun, I'm looking forward sa future natin magkakaklase. I'm looking forward that we can achieve maka-achieve tayo ng more awards, certificates individually, and honor para sa section natin. I hope for the better. Sana goods tayong lahat. And thank you for watching.